They tell us the extraordinary isn't real. They brand anyone who questions an outcast, a conspiracy theorist. But unexplained events keep piling up, begging the question, what if we're missing the bigger picture? From reports of impossible aerial phenomena to accounts of unexplainable bodily changes, could these disturbing anomalies be evidence of an alien presence on Earth? Are we being studied, manipulated by forces far beyond our understanding?
Imagine waking up with a strange object implanted in your body. An object of alien origin, perhaps. Eerie, isn't it? Yet this is a reality for numerous individuals who've reported finding inexplicable, non-human materials lodged within their bodies. Now let's delve a little deeper into these peculiar occurrences. Picture this. You're going about your day, just like any other, when suddenly you feel an unusual discomfort. You decide to get it checked out, and lo and behold, the doctor finds something inside of you that doesn't belong there. An object that's not of this world. The stories are many, and they're chilling. A woman from Arizona woke up one morning with a tiny metallic device embedded in her skin. A man in Colorado discovered a small, odd-shaped object in his arm after experiencing a series of vivid dreams. Each of these objects, when examined, revealed a composition of materials that aren't found on our planet. But what are the implications of these startling discoveries? Well, they're as disturbing as you might imagine. The most prevalent theory is that these implants could be a form of alien experimentation. Extraterrestrial beings, it seems, may be conducting their own version of a tag-and-release program, tracking and studying us like we're some exotic species in a cosmic zoo. Another unsettling possibility is that these implants are tools for monitoring. Yes, you heard that right. These mysterious devices could be alien tech, keeping tabs on our every move, recording our experiences, and even manipulating our thoughts and emotions. Of course, these are just theories. But what if they're more than that? What if these stories aren't just the ramblings of a few imaginative individuals, but actual evidence of a reality we're too afraid to confront? So the next time you feel an unexplained ache or find an unusual mark, remember these tales, because who knows? You might just be the next person to wake up with an alien souvenir under your skin. What if these implants are not mere figments of imagination but proof of extraterrestrial involvement? Crop circles, dismissed by many as hoaxes, might be more disturbing than we ever imagined. Imagine, if you will, a field of wheat swaying gently in the breeze. Suddenly, overnight, a complex, intricate design appears, flattened into the crops. These are not the scribbles of a bored farmer, but intricate geometric patterns that would challenge even the most skilled artists or mathematicians. These crop circles have been discovered in over 70 countries around the world, with the first recorded instance dating back to the late 17th century. They've been found in everything from wheat fields to rice paddies, from snow-covered landscapes to desert sands. The sheer variety of locations and the complexity of the designs suggest that this phenomenon is beyond the capabilities of mere human pranksters. But it's not just the designs that have researchers scratching their heads. Crop circles are often associated with strange phenomena. Unexplained radiation levels have been detected at these sites, along with heightened electromagnetic fields. This is not something that can be achieved with a plank of wood and a length of rope, the tools typically associated with human-made crop circles. Additionally, plants in these circles often show unusual characteristics. They are not simply flattened, they are bent at the base, a feat that would require extreme heat. Yet there is no evidence of burning or heat damage to the crops. And then there's the question of speed. These designs, often spanning hundreds of feet, appear overnight. Even with a team of people, it would be a monumental task to create these intricate patterns in such a short time and without being noticed. So if these crop circles are not the result of human hoaxers, then who or what is creating them? Are they the result of some natural, yet undiscovered phenomenon? Or could they be the remnants of alien experiments, attempts at communication from a species not of this world? Could these crop circles be the remnants of alien experiments or communication attempts? In the dead of night, livestock are found mutilated with surgical precision, a chilling mystery that remains unsolved. Imagine the scene. A farmer wakes up to a horrifying sight. His cattle, once grazing peacefully, now lie lifeless in the paddock. But this is no ordinary predator attack. No, the details are far more disturbing. The animals show signs of mutilation, but not the kind caused by any known creature of this earth. The cuts are precise, almost surgical, as if done by a skilled surgeon or something else entirely. This isn't an isolated case. All around the globe, farmers report similar incidents. From the rolling hills of England to the vast plains of Argentina, these animal mutilations are a worldwide enigma. No traces of human involvement, no signs of predators, and yet the animals are left mutilated with organs removed in an eerily meticulous manner. But here's where it gets even more peculiar. The carcasses are often found drained of blood, yet there's no blood on the ground, not a single drop. How is this possible? How can an animal be so cleanly and thoroughly drained of blood without leaving a trace? Then, there are the precise cuts. Not the rough tears of an animal attack, but clean, almost laser-like incisions that would require advanced technology. Technology that, as far as we know, doesn't exist, at least not on this planet. And if all that wasn't baffling enough, consider this. Often the animal's internal organs are removed. Yet there's no visible point of entry. It's as if whatever or whoever is responsible can reach inside these animals without leaving a mark. These are not the hallmarks of any known predator or human intervention. It's as if something otherworldly is conducting experiments. Could these be the handiwork of alien experimenters? It's a chilling thought, but as we delve deeper into these unsolved mysteries, it seems more and more plausible. As we continue to uncover the disturbing evidence, we can't help but ask ourselves, are we alone in the universe? Or are we the subjects of a far-reaching interstellar investigation? People disappearing without a trace, leaving behind only baffling clues and unanswered questions. Imagine this. One moment, you're living your life, and the next, you're gone, vanished, no trace left behind. This isn't a plot from some Hollywood thriller, but a chilling reality for many individuals who have mysteriously disappeared from the face of the earth, leaving behind only questions. Questions that seem to defy all logic and reason. Could these be abductions for alien experiments? Let's dive into some of the most perplexing cases. Take the case of the Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes have been known to vanish without a trace. It's been a source of intrigue for decades, with many attributing these disappearances to extraterrestrial activity. Then there's the chilling tale of Frederick Valentich, an Australian pilot who, in 1978, reported an unidentified aircraft hovering over him before he and his plane vanished, never to be seen again. His last words? "It's not an aircraft." Consider also the case of the entire village of Rio Verde in Brazil, where in 1923 the entire population of 600 people inexplicably disappeared overnight. All that was left was a chilling message that read, "There is no salvation." Even more unsettling are the countless stories of individuals who have disappeared from national parks around the world, often under inexplicable circumstances. In many of these cases, search and rescue teams find no evidence of where these individuals may have gone, as if they were plucked from the earth itself. We're left with a disturbing thought. Could these unexplained disappearances be the result of alien abductions? Could these individuals have been chosen for some otherworldly experiment, their lives forever changed by forces beyond our comprehension? The truth is, we may never know. The only certainty is the chilling reality that these disappearances continue to haunt us, leaving us with a sense of unease and a thirst for answers that may forever remain elusive. Are these missing people victims of alien experiments whisked off to a far-off galaxy? Skinwalker Ranch, a hotbed of inexplicable phenomena defying the laws of physics and nature. Nestled in the heart of Utah, this 512-acre property is no ordinary ranch. It's an epicenter of unexplained events that have intrigued and terrified onlookers for decades. Imagine standing on the grounds of this ranch, where the stillness of the night is shattered by the sudden appearance of UFOs in the sky. Lights of colors and patterns you've never seen before, darting across the horizon, leaving streaks of luminescent trails in their wake. This isn't a one-off event, but a recurring spectacle that has left witnesses awestruck and skeptics scratching their heads. But it's not just airborne phenomena that has drawn attention to Skinwalker Ranch. The ranch has been the site of numerous cattle mutilations, instances where livestock have been found dead, their bodies bearing precise cuts that seem too clean, too exact, to be the work of predators. Even more chilling, these animals are often found drained of blood, with no evidence of a struggle or indication of who or what was responsible. Skinwalker Ranch has also been a host to disturbing apparitions and creatures that defy explanation. Witnesses report seeing shadowy figures that vanish without a trace, and monstrous beasts that seem to emerge from the very fabric of the night. These sightings have led many to believe that the ranch is a hotspot for interdimensional activity, a gateway for entities from other worlds. But what if there's more to this? What if these strange occurrences aren't just random events, but part of something larger, something deliberate? Could this ranch be a testing ground for extraterrestrials? A place where they conduct their experiments, observe our reactions, and gauge our understanding of the universe? These questions hang heavy in the air, adding another layer of mystery to the already enigmatic Skinwalker Ranch. As we continue to search for answers, one thing remains clear. The phenomenon of Skinwalker Ranch is a testament to the fact that we are not alone in the universe, and that there are forces at work that exceed our comprehension. Could Skinwalker Ranch be ground zero for alien experiments on Earth? Orbiting Earth is an unexplained object, the Black Knight satellite, an enigma that might prove alien visitations. This isn't a tale from a science fiction novel, but a real-life mystery that's been puzzling scientists, astronomers, and enthusiasts for decades. Imagine an unidentified object, silently spinning around our planet, apparently observing us. It's called the Black Knight satellite, and its origins, purpose, and even its physical existence remain a hot topic of debate. This isn't your everyday satellite launched by NASA or SpaceX. No, this one is a bit more alien. The stories surrounding the Black Knight satellite are as shadowy and elusive as the object itself. Some say it's been orbiting Earth for 13,000 years, a silent sentinel watching humanity's progress. Others suggest it's an alien monitoring device, spying on us, perhaps gathering data for a future invasion or simply observing our species' development. The mystery deepens when we consider that there's no official record of launching such a satellite. It's as if it just appeared one day, silently taking its place in Earth's orbit. And let's not forget the strange signals supposedly emanating from it. These signals, some claim, are evidence of extraterrestrial communication, a beacon broadcasting to an unknown recipient far beyond our solar system. Skeptics, of course, have their own theories. They argue it's just space debris, a piece of a lost rocket, or even an art installation. But these explanations seem almost mundane compared to the tantalizing possibility of an alien origin. The Black Knight satellite poses more questions than answers. Is it a remnant of an ancient alien civilization? A probe sent by extraterrestrials to study us? Or is it just a piece of space junk, spinning tails as it spins around our planet? The truth, as they say, is out there. But until we can definitively prove what the Black Knight satellite is and where it came from, it will remain a captivating enigma, a dark sentinel, silently watching from above. Is the Black Knight satellite the most disturbing proof yet of alien experiments on Earth? Until we have more answers, all we can do is wonder and wait. As we've seen, the evidence is chilling, but the implications are even more terrifying. We've journeyed through the unnerving world of alien implants, where ordinary individuals are found with inexplicable metallic objects lodged within their bodies. These objects, resistant to biological rejection and often emitting strange frequencies, suggest a level of technology far beyond our current understanding. They are not just medical anomalies, but potential proof of extraterrestrial interference in our lives. Next, we explored the enigma of crop circles. Far from being mere hoaxes or the result of natural phenomena, they are intricate designs imprinted on our planet's fields overnight. Their complexity and precision, often embodying advanced mathematical concepts, hint at a non-human intelligence at work. Are these massive imprints a form of interstellar communication, or something even more unsettling? Then there's the horrifying mystery of animal mutilations. Livestock found with precise surgical cuts, devoid of blood, and with specific organs missing. The absence of any human or predator tracks around the carcasses deepens the mystery. Could these be the results of alien experiments, a gruesome testament to their disregard for earthly life? We also delved into the unexplained disappearances of countless individuals worldwide, vanishing without a trace, only to reappear days, weeks, or even years later with no memory of their missing time. Many report strange visions and experiences consistent with the terrifying prospect of alien abduction. At the Skinwalker Ranch, we confronted a hotbed of paranormal activity. Unidentified flying objects, cryptid sightings, and bizarre phenomena that defy our current scientific understanding. This activity, concentrated in one location, suggests a possible extraterrestrial base or testing site on Earth. Finally, we scrutinized the enigmatic Black Knight satellite. This object, seemingly observing us from space, has been reported for over a century. Its purpose remains unknown, its origin untraceable. Is it an alien probe, keeping an eye on humanity's progress? All these instances, these experiments point towards a chilling conclusion. We may not be alone in the universe, and more disturbingly, we may be the subjects of alien curiosity. They might be studying us, experimenting on our livestock, communicating through our crops, and perhaps even abducting us for their unknown purposes. This possibility raises a host of terrifying questions. What is their ultimate objective? Are they benign observers, or do they have a more sinister agenda? Are we merely specimens in their cosmic laboratory? While we may not have all the answers, the evidence suggests that we should not dismiss these possibilities lightly. As we continue to explore the vastness of space, it's crucial to remember that we might not be the only ones doing the exploring. The question is, are we prepared for what we might find, or more importantly, what might find us? Could we indeed be the subjects of alien experiments, and if so, what is their ultimate objective? These experiments were pretty crazy. Do you want even more alien content? How about you check out this video next, where these missing persons can actually be linked to alien abduction? Click the video now to learn more.